In this video, we're going to learn how to access our funnel links and how to choose the exact right funnel for the marketing system that we're going to use to market BuilderAll. So let's go ahead and check out our funnels first and the links that we need. So to do that, I need to go to the Quick Start area. That's one place that I can look for links. And the other place is the Money Making Funnels. So let's go ahead and look at the Quick Start links first. I'm just in my dashboard on the main page, and I'm going to click Quick Start. And on this page, if I scroll down just a little bit, I should have already connected my domain. So we're on step 2, which is where we get our affiliate link. And there's a few different affiliate links we can access. This first one is just the general affiliate link, and then we've got a leveraged affiliate, Mailing Boss, and a 7-day trial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click inside here, and we're going to look at each one of these links to see what this particular web page looks like. So I'm going to click in here, and it's copied. Then I'm going to open a new tab in my browser, and I'm going to paste it in there, and we'll take a look at this page. This is a great funnel because it's got a video that they can access once they register, and they register by using this form right here. It's a very easy page for them to register with, and as you can see when I hover over the video, you can't really click the video to watch it. You have to register to be able to watch the video. There's a little bit of content in here that speaks to the person that is looking at this page, including asking them, do they hate selling? Do they love networking? Do they not have enough time in their day? And do they not have enough money to get started? So if they answer yes to any of these questions, then they're considered perfect for this opportunity. So it does a great job of speaking to the person that actually comes to this funnel. So this is a great funnel to use if you're sending people, they don't really get exposed to BuilderAll as a whole. They're just asked a few questions, and if the response is yes to any of the questions, then they're driven to fill out the form and find out more information. So let's look at the next one. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and I'm going to look at the leveraged affiliate funnel. So I'm going to click here. It's copied. I'm going to go to the next tab and paste it in there. And this is a leveraged affiliate funnel, and it has a lot of the same beginnings of the other one, how to start the business of your dreams. And this time they're going to get a video. So when they click play, the video will start playing.
Get to know the online business.
And then it runs by itself. And then right below it, it looks like nothing is there, but there's actually a button there that shows up after about 5 minutes, and they can click the button and it will take them to a place where they can sign up for BuilderAll. So this is a great one if you're trying to reach someone that may be more analytical and they may want to take the time to watch a video. Let's go back to the dashboard and we'll get the third one, which is the Mailing Boss funnel. So I'm going to click on that, and it copied for me. I'm going to open a new tab, and I'll paste it in there. And this website is designed to capture that person that wants unlimited email forever, so they can actually pay for a lifetime account in Mailing Boss. And if you take a look, if they're already a member, they can log in, and they can also watch a video demo. If they click that button, then a video pops up, and it shows them a demo of the Mailing Boss system. If we scroll down, we can see a button that says Lifetime Access Now. We have more information and content about Mailing Boss. And if we continue to scroll down, when we get to the end of the page, we can see that it is a lifetime plan for Mailing Boss only. It talks about all of the information that's included in this lifetime account, and then it has a Buy Now button. So if you want to sell Mailing Boss, a lifetime account of Mailing Boss, to people, this would be a great one to use. This gets them into BuilderAll, and they have to access the BuilderAll dashboard to be able to access their Mailing Boss account. So this is a great way to expose them to BuilderAll, get them paying for this lifetime account, and then get them seeing BuilderAll for the rest of their lives as they use Mailing Boss. So it's a great way to expose Mailing Boss to people that need an email platform. Now let's look at the last one. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and we're going to look at the 7-day free trial. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to go to another tab and paste it. And this one has a little bit more information, including some menu items up at the top. It's also got the information right here, start your 7 days free now. And I love that it says that there's no credit card required and no risk. This website looks really nice. It has a button right here for them to get started. If they click that, it will actually take them to the registration page, and then they'll go straight to the dashboard to be able to access all of the features that are a part of their 7-day free trial. If I click the back button and go back to that page, you can see that we've got some more content, and you can see that some of this stuff is using some of the tools that allow these items to move. And here's some examples of some of the templates that are available. A lot of content about the product BuilderAll itself and what all is included in that 7-day free trial. It gives you information about what platforms BuilderAll is integrated with. Explains some of the tools that you'll be getting inside of BuilderAll. It has some testimonials. And then it has the pricing if you're ready to buy, including the $9.90, $29.90, and $49.90 levels. And then it has the start your 7 days free. And then it has a small section here for frequently asked questions. And then down at the bottom, it has a full footer menu that has information about the company, some special links, legal information, and even contact information. So this is a great page if you really want to get someone acclimated to BuilderAll so they can see all the information that they need to see to be able to take advantage of that 7-day free trial. And the great thing is they can choose the 7-day free trial, or they may see enough to go ahead and purchase one of the plans without having to do the 7-day free trial. So this is kind of a web page that does double duty, because it allows them to do the 7-day free trial, but it also allows them to purchase a plan as well. So those are the funnels that are available in the Quick Start area. If we go into the money-making funnels, we can see a few more. So I'm going to go into the BuilderAll business area, and I'm going to choose money-making funnels. And here we've got a few more funnels. We've got the viral funnel, we've got the leveraged affiliate funnel, which you've seen, the Mailing Boss funnel, we've got the BuilderAll business funnel, we've got the 7-day free trial funnel, and then we've got BuilderAll home funnel. Make sure that you're constantly checking this area in the money-making funnel part of your dashboard, because we will be adding funnels and adding to the things that we give you to help you market BuilderAll. So this is an area that you'll see change as we add funnels for you to use to market BuilderAll. And all of these are easily accessible. You can do the same thing we just did a few minutes ago. You just click the link for the home page and it copies for you, and then you go into a new browser tab and take a look at that funnel. To me, this is the most important thing that you'll do when you start your marketing campaigns, is you want to make sure that you're using the right funnel for the marketing technique that you're using. If you're using something where the user is going to take a quick look, they're not going to spend a lot of time, they're not going to want to see a lot of content, then you want to send them to a short funnel and a short page, and that would be this page here. This is a really short page. There's not a ton of information, and all they have to do to move on is to fill out this form, and they'll move on to the next level. If you have a marketing plan that includes people that are going to take their time and read the information because they really are interested in finding a solution for their business and they want to see if maybe BuilderAll is an option, then you may want to send them to that long page. And this is the long page here. And remember, this has a ton of information about BuilderAll, about the templates, about the tools. It even has testimonials and all kinds of information. At the bottom, it even has all of the plans, their pricing, and what's included. So this is a really good funnel to send them to so they can get detailed information and take their time to learn about BuilderAll and what it could possibly do for their business. So you have to make sure you're looking at the marketing techniques you're using and seeing if it matches the funnel that you're sending them to. That's really important to do when you're putting together your marketing plan for BuilderAll. So going back to the dashboard, the two areas that you can find your affiliate links and take a look at the funnels. You can go to the Quick Start area and take a look at the funnels there, or you can scroll down and take a look at the money-making funnels that are in your BuilderAll business area of the menu on the left. So that's how you take a look at your funnels and how you can start the process of choosing the perfect funnel to use in your marketing plan.